everyone! Today we have two cute Christmas puzzles we're going to work on, and we're going to go over our colors and numbers in English and Spanish. We'll start with our snowman. How many pieces do we have to our snowman puzzle? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. In Spanish, that would be uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Let's start with the top of our snowman. Which piece of clothing would go on his head? The hat or the scarf? You got it! The hat would go on his head. And here's our snowman's hat. It's white and red, or in Spanish, blanco y rojo. Next, we'll find his head. His head should be somewhat round. Do you think his head is the top piece or the bottom piece? Wow, you're so good! Yes, it's the piece on the bottom. Our snowman's head is white. He's got a red tongue, an orange nose, black eyes, and pink cheeks. In Spanish, his head would be white or blanco, the tongue is red or rojo, the nose is orange or naranja, eyes are black or negro, and his cheeks are pink or rosa. Next, we need to find his scarf. Here it is. His scarf is red. Do you remember what red is in Spanish? Let's say it together. Rojo. And our last piece for our snowman is his body. The snowman's body is white or blanco. He has red mittens, rojo, and he's holding a cup of hot chocolate that's brown. Brown in Spanish is café. And there's our snowman. He's a happy little snowman. But I think it's a little funny he's drinking hot chocolate because he's cold and hot things would melt him. Let's get our next puzzle. Here's our Christmas tree. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. In Spanish, that's uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Let's start at the bottom of our tree. Do you think the bottom is bigger or smaller than the top? Great job! Yes, it's bigger. So which of our 3 tree pieces is the biggest? That's right, it's the one on top. And our tree is green, and it has 4 ornaments: red, orange, blue, red. Green in Spanish is verde. Red is rojo. Orange is naranja. Blue is azul. Red is rojo. Next, we need to find the middle piece. We know the top will be the smallest piece. So which of these 2 pieces is bigger? That's right. Here's our next piece. And this part of the tree is light green or verde claro. And then our ornaments are red, blue, and orange again. Blue in Spanish is azul. Red is rojo, orange is naranja, and what was blue? Azul! Good job! You're doing really well. So we have 2 pieces left. This is our star, so we know this is the last piece of our tree. And our tree is green or verde. The ornaments are red, rojo, orange, naranja, and what was blue again? Azul. Amazing. For our last piece, we have a star. We haven't had this color yet. Our star is yellow, and yellow in Spanish is amarillo. You did a great job today. We counted our pieces 1 to 4 in English and Spanish. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then we did our colors. Our snowman was white or blanco, red, rojo, orange, naranja, black, negro, pink, rosa, brown, café. And our tree had green or verde, light green, verde claro, with ornaments that were red, rojo, orange, naranja, blue, azul, and yellow, amarillo. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.